Why finish your basement walls? A finished basement can offer numerous benefits, including increased home value, adding usable square footage to your property, energy efficiency, improving insulation and reducing heating and cooling costs, enhanced aesthetics, transforming a drab space into an inviting area, and moisture control, preventing mold and mildew growth with proper finishing. Preparing your basement for wall finishing. Before diving into the project, preparation is key to ensuring a successful outcome. Step 1. Assess for moisture issues. Check for any signs of water leaks or dampness. Common indicators include efflorescence, which is a white powdery substance on walls, musty odors and water stains or peeling paint. Solutions include applying a concrete waterproofing sealer, fixing foundation cracks, and installing a sump pump or dehumidifier if necessary. Step 2. Obtain permits. Check with local building codes to determine if you need a permit for your basement renovation. Failing to do so can lead to legal issues and resale complications. Step 3. Plan layout and design. Determine the purpose of your basement, whether it's a home office, gym, or entertainment room, to guide your design decisions. Sketch a layout including walls, doors, and electrical outlets. Materials and tools needed. Common materials include insulation, which could be foam board, fiberglass, or spray foam, drywall or wall panels, framing lumber, a moisture barrier, joint compound, and paint or wall finishing material. Essential tools you'll need are a tape measure level utility knife drill and screws, hammer and nails, and a paintbrush or roller. Alright, let's dive into the step-by-step guide to finishing your basement walls. Step 1. Install a moisture barrier. A moisture barrier, protects your walls from dampness and mold. You can use polyethylene sheets or a waterproof paint-on barrier. Make sure the barrier covers the entire surface area, overlapping seams by a few inches. Step 2. Frame the walls. Framing provides the structure for your finished walls. Measure and cut 2x4 lumber to size. Attach the bottom plate to the concrete floor using masonry screws. Secure the top plate to the ceiling joists. Then install vertical studs every 16 inches. Step 3. Add insulation. Insulating your basement walls enhances energy efficiency and comfort. You have a few options here. Foam board, which is rigid and moisture resistant, fiberglass bats, which are budget friendly but require a vapor barrier, and spray foam, which offers excellent insulation and moisture resistance, but is a bit more expensive. Step 4. Install drywall or wall panels. For drywall installation, cut drywall sheets to fit the wall frame. Secure the sheets to the studs using drywall screws. Tape seams and apply joint compound to create a smooth finish. Alternatively, consider pre-finished wall panels for a quicker, cleaner installation. Step 5. Paint or finish the walls. Choose moisture-resistant paint or opt for decorative finishes like shiplap, which adds a rustic or modern touch, brick veneer to mimic an exposed brick wall, or wallpaper available in various designs to suit your style. Now let's talk about some affordable ideas for basement wall finishing. You can transform your basement without breaking the bank. First, use reclaimed materials. Repurpose old wood or pallets for a rustic accent wall. Second, consider fabric wall coverings. Stretch fabric over wooden frames for a soft, stylish look. Third, paint the concrete. Apply masonry paint for a clean and modern aesthetic. Fourth, stick-on tiles. Peel and stick tiles mimic expensive materials like stone or ceramic. And finally, DIY wall art. Create gallery walls with framed photos or DIY art pieces. Here's a cost breakdown table to give you an idea of what you might spend on this project. For a moisture barrier, you're looking at $50 to $100. Framing lumber will cost around $100 to $300. Insulation can range from $150 to $600. Drywall is about $200 to $500. Paint and supplies will run you $50 to $200. Wall panels, if you choose to use them, could cost $100 to $400. So, in total, you're looking at a range of $650 to $2,100. Now let's wrap things up with some maintenance tips for your finished basement walls. Inspect regularly. Check for signs of moisture or cracks. Control humidity. Use a dehumidifier to maintain optimal levels. Repaint as needed. Keep walls looking fresh with periodic touch-ups. In conclusion, finishing your basement walls is a rewarding project that adds functionality and value to your home. By following these expert tips and cost-effective ideas, you can create a beautiful, durable space that suits your needs and budget. Start your project today and enjoy the benefits of a transformed basement.